December the 21st was the karakia and opening of Toi Tāmanuhiri at the Marae. This is for us, he puna aroha, very meaningful. This is when we have the time to share and celebrate as whānau with ourselves. Beautiful day, wonderful having all our kaumātua. A special surprise for us was Sam Āperahama and the whānau of Rarotonga ki Tūranga. With the blessing of our Uncle Temple and Uncle Paura, we opened Toi Tāmanuhiri at Muriwai Marae.
My name's Richard Brooking. I'm the General Manager for Ngāi Tāmanuhiri, and today is the third of our exhibition openings. The first exhibition opened at the museum, Tiriti Museum. For those of you who haven't been along to it, go along to the Tiriti Museum and you'll see Toi Tāmanuhiri, our exhibition that's there at the moment.
Thank you very much for everybody coming today. As Richard has said, that my role has been really to work with the iwi, with the museum, but also I'm an artist, I'm an art educator, and it was a really great privilege to 4 years ago to be given the opportunity to actually establish some exhibitions where we're able to display who we are as Ngāi Tāmanuhiri.
Our hall is adorned with many taonga that were created for the exhibition, but also taonga that was created for whānau, to be shared with whānau. We're thankful for those that have contributed from their home to share with our whānau ki te whānau, the taonga that they have. There are many contemporary works, there are many taonga created by those that have passed on. The whānau artists themselves and whānau of the artists gave a kōrero of the taonga that is on display, and we were really warmed and appreciate the whakamārama that they had to step over to talk about their taonga.
All the weaving I've done and I've brought in here so that our kids can see potential. Otherwise we might limit ourselves and not dream. And that's what I think is important about having something like this, so that our kids can see the hopes and aspirations for their future. Because it's not about us, we all had it now.
When we were planning for Toi Tāmanuhiri, Auntie Olive talked about the korowai she had made herself and those she had taught.
And so this is what we came up for with waiata. And I think the year was something like 1972. Approximately. And so this was actually the first kōrero that I had made. And I had to make one for me, one for Temple, one for Marari, and one for David.
It was a really good idea at the time that we have a fashion parade. From Auntie Olive's kōrero and the planning for Toi Tāmanuhiri, we realised that we had a living legend amongst ourselves as whānau.
So this one I made for Wawata, when Wawata was leaving the district, and this was the first time Sam saw a kōrero and liked it. And like waiata, he deserves his kōrero. And I'm only too happy that they anchored it. Oh, and because he's special too, he's got greenstone.